Hello everyone. Have you ever wondered why do diamonds sparkle so much? Why on sunny days, the road seems to have water patches ahead? Well, today we will understand the reason behind these observations. Total internal reflection. We know that light changes direction, refracts, when it passes from one medium to another, example, air to water. If light moves from a denser medium, like glass or water, to a less dense medium, like air, it bends away from the normal. As the angle of incidence in the denser medium increases, the refracted ray bends further away from the normal. At a specific angle, called the critical angle, the refracted ray travels along the boundary between the two media. The critical angle is the angle of incidence in a denser medium, at which the angle of refraction in the less dense medium becomes 90 degrees. At this angle, the refracted ray travels along the boundary between the two media. If the angle of incidence is greater than the critical angle, no refraction occurs. Instead, all the light is reflected back into the denser medium. This is called total internal reflection. TIR happens when: first, when light travels from a denser to a less dense medium. Second, when the angle of incidence is greater than the critical angle. Working of optical fiber is based on TIR. Optical fibers carry light signals over long distances by TIR. Light enters the fiber and hits the walls at angle greater than the critical angle, so it reflects entirely within the fiber without escaping. Simple demonstration to understand TIR. Use a glass of water and a laser pointer or flashlight. Shine the light from under the water at different angle. Show how the light bends at smaller angle and reflect back completely at larger angle, illustrating TIR. Optical fibers. Light is transmitted through the core of the fiber by TIR, allowing it to travel long distances without escaping. Use internet cables, medical endoscopes, and telecommunication. Sparkling of diamond. Diamonds have a very high refractive index, so light undergoes TIR within the diamond, giving it its characteristic brilliance and sparkle. White sparkles. Light reflects multiple times inside before exiting, enhancing its shine. Mirage. On hot roads, air near the surface is less dense compared to cooler air above. Light from the sky undergoes TIR, making it look like water is on the road. Effect. A shimmering pool of water is seen in the distance. Prisms in binoculars and periscopes. Prisms inside binoculars and periscopes use TIR to reflect light at precise angle, allowing the image to be transmitted clearly. Advantage: this reduces the loss of light compared to mirrors. Glowing raindrops or dewdrops. TIR occurs inside the water droplet when sunlight enters and reflects internally, creating effects like rainbows or glimmering drops. So now it's crystal clear, right? We will keep coming with informative videos like this. Till then, stay tuned.